I have with me here one of the tourist board representative who is going to tell us what we can expect to have in the Kumasi region on tourism. So, hello, sir.
Hello.
What's your name, sir?
Mathew Osei Prempeh.
Mathew Osei Prempeh. You see, I'm Aaron Prempeh. He's also Mathew Prempeh, family members, and we are all connected to the Prempeh. The first and second, we are linked to it. So he's going to tell us what we can expect to see in the Ashanti region and what Tourist Board is also doing in the promotion of tourism in this region.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity. When you come to Kumasi, we can proudly boast of the famous Menchia Palace, and we have a museum there as well. It's currently under renovation, and we hope it will come up to be one of the best in the world. We also have the military museum, which has a lot of history attached to it, a lot of positive history. And we have the Konfanoche sword site, we have the culture center, and we have other sites, attraction sites, such as the Kumasi Central Market, which happens to be one of the biggest markets in West Africa, as well as the Ratri Park, where people can go and relax. We also have educational sites, the KNUST, Botanical Gardens, and a whole lot. We have attractive restaurants, which provide some of the best local dishes. We can talk of Ice Cafe, which happens to be right in the culture center here. And we have a whole lot. I can talk of the Friends Gardens, Banners, Plus 2, and many other more. Many other more, which will provide you with very sumptuous Ghanaian dishes. And we have our hotels. We have a 4-star hotel called the Golden Tulip. We have Golden Bean, Crystal Rose, and a whole lot of nice hotels with beautiful ambience. So when you come, and the reception at Kumasi too is fantastic. We all know of the hospitality of the Kumasi people. If you are in Kumasi, you are at home. So you are always welcome to the Kumasi city. Thank you.
Hey, viewers, you just heard the man from the Tourist Board himself. Look, Kumasi is a place that you need to visit to know your culture, to help you to rediscover yourself. You can actually be here under an hour if you want to fly. And if you want to come by road, there are several transport systems that you can use. You can use the STC, you can use the VIP. There are several transport systems. And look, if you get here and you did not come with your own transportation, hey, there are a lot of car rentals, and you can also just order for an Uber if you have an Uber app, or get a taxi. The people here are great, they are lovely. Look, you will explode. We have lots of cultural dances, lot of fun, and the great Kotoko right here. So please, let's see you. We're beginning our tour at the cultural center. We're going to some of the art and craft village in here, and we'll be seeing a few things. So stay tuned in as we move along.